Hi. I don't know if I'm on there or not, if I got on there or not. But I just wanted to do a little language review before you took your language test. I know some of you probably already took it. That's totally fine. But you can always go back and check it again. But I just wanted to go through. So here's our contraption. I feel like it's easier if I'm holding it so I can show you. And remember, when we have our contractions are two words. The first word they, then the second word are. And all we're going to do with our contraption is squish our two words together. And when we squish, sorry, it's a little crazy, I know. Hang in there with me, hard to hold it and do it. Our two words together, sorry, they are going to make one word that becomes our contraction. So they are becomes there. And remember, the A pops out of the top and the apostrophe drops in its place to make THEY apostrophe RE. So in order to make your contraction, you have to take those two words, squish them together to make one word. Then we have contractions and words that sound the same as our contractions, but they have different meaning. So remember, when it's a contraction, it's going to have your apostrophes. When it is not a contraction, oh, did you just notice that I used these words, some of them, and some of them should have been it's, it is, it's, or you are, your. When it's YOUR or ITS, what are those? Right, that's showing possession, ownership. So after those words should come something that it or you own, okay? Your shirt, its paws, something like that. So think carefully. One of the hints that I gave you, don't forget, was when you are doing those, either you just go ahead and read the sentence with it is or you are or one of those and see if it fits. And if it doesn't, then it's usually going to be the other word. But just being aware of that. So we are having, and again, I don't know if you can see me or not, on your language test, make sure that you read the directions carefully. The first one is contractions. I wish I could see if you're seeing me super close. But the first part is contractions. Write a contraction for each set of words. Second, capitalization and punctuation. So use your proofreader's marks, the 3 lines. I don't want to look, I'm afraid. The 3 lines, and then the caret if you're putting a punctuation in. Then the next section is word usage using has, hasn't, is, are, has, have, those types of words, and figuring out when you're supposed to use them with the singular or the plural. Time order words, so number the sentences in the order they happened, and then you're writing the time order words, which whatever happened, and using each of those words, first, second, next, finally, all of that. And obviously they can be used interchangeably for a couple of them. Word usage, the next section, choose the correct word in parentheses to complete each sentence. That's what we were doing on the board. It's, your, there, and there. Think carefully. Then you're filling in the parts of your friendly letter. So remember, we learned the 5 parts of our friendly letter, and you are just writing them where they belong. And don't forget to check. You don't have to check 4 times plus 1, but I do expect you to check very carefully. All right? I know you're going to do awesome. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. You can do it.